Hello, my name is Michael and today I will provide you with a guide on Forex trading for beginner traders in South Africa. Most of the information that I will cover in this video will be also relevant to you if you live elsewhere, but this guide is specifically to South African traders. I will cover the complete basics of Forex trading. So I will explain what Forex is, how Forex trading works, what is base and quote currency, how leverage works in practice, and what are some of the companies where you can open Forex trades. So if you want to know all this about Forex trading, stay tuned because we are just starting. So one of the first sources I will use for explaining what Forex trading is a guide provided by tradingbeast.com. I will link down below in the description of the video to this article so you can read it on your own pace. Now, what actually Forex trading is and what the market is all about. So Forex trading or Forex market is the largest market in the world. It's much bigger than the stock market, and daily they are traded $5.3 trillion each day. Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. That means weekends are off, but all work days are on. The biggest Forex major hubs are London, Frankfurt, Tokyo, Zurich, and a couple of others. Now I want to explain to you what Forex trading actually is and what does it mean if we trade Forex. So if we trade Forex, we trade one currency against another currency. So the most popular currency pair on the market is Euro USD. This market has the most trades in the world, and if you think that Euro will outperform USD, you go and buy a long position. This means that you speculate on the fact that the first currency, in our case Euro, will do better than USD. If you are of the opinion that USD will do better than Euro, you go for the short position. And that means that you are selling the base currency. The base currency is the first currency, so Euro. You are selling Euro, and you are buying the quote currency, which is USD. Now, all Forex trades are quoted with bid and ask price. So you can, for instance, buy a trade for this price, this 1.1354, and sell it for this price, 1.1352. And the speculation is that if you believe Euro will do better than USD, then you go for the buy position, and if you think that USD will do better than Euro, you go for the sell position. And this difference between these prices is, in our case, 0.0002, and that's a thing called spread. That is the difference between the buy price and the sell price, and that is how basically Forex brokers make money, by this slight differences in prices. So if you buy the currency pair for this price, you will not be able to sell it for the same price, but you will be able to sell it for this price. Now, Forex trading is usually traded with leverage, and there are companies which allow you to use leverage 1 to 30 or 1 to 200 or 1 to 1000. So it's important for you to understand how leverage trading works and what leverage is. The best thing to do here is to show this on an example. So if you have an investment of 1,000 euro and you use leverage 1 to 30, you are not trading with 1,000 euro, but your capital has a power of 30,000 euro, because you basically multiply your investment and the leverage you use. So you multiply 1,000 with 30 and you get 30,000 euro. And this is basically capital that is lended to you by a broker. So you could make money even on slight price changes in currency pairs. So Euro USD is quoted to 4 places after the decimal. So I will explain this on an example. So you have here 1 point and then you have 4 numbers, right? So these 4 numbers after the decimal that means that each pip is 0.01 of the whole price. So if you invest in this trade 1,000 and use 1 to 30 leverage, each pip is worth $3. So that means if this last digit 4 changes to 5 and the trade goes in your direction, you make $3. If it goes to 6, you make $6. If it goes to these two go to 6.0, you make 6 pips, and that means 6 pips multiplied by $3, it's $18. And if you would use a higher leverage than 1 to 30, for instance 1 to 300, you wouldn't make $3 on each pip in your direction, but you would make 30. But please remember that leverage trading is a two-edged sword, so even while you can make a lot of money on forex trading, you can also lose quite a lot. Now I will point out another great source for forex trading, which is BabyPips.com. This is a website that provides a lot of educational value. You have here news, technical analysis, articles, and more importantly, you have here complete guide. If you go to education and how to trade forex, you have here a thing called School of Pipsology. Here you can track your progress and go through all of their courses, which explain what forex trading is, how you trade it, why trade forex, and what chart types are there, and etc. etc. There are a lot of sources here that you can go through, and they are definitely worth your time. I will link down below in the video to this website as well, so you can check it out on your own. Now, if you want to trade forex, I would definitely recommend trading first on a demo account. That means that you will not lose your money, but you will trade with sort of imaginary funds that are for you just to get feeling of the market and how basically understand how forex trading works. If you go to compareforexbrokers.co.za, you can check out some of the major forex and CFD brokers that are in South Africa. For instance, there is Plus 500, Our Trade, XM.com, XNS or IQ Option. They have slight differences in trading conditions, but they are also solid brokers, and they always have at least regulation of one regulated body. Now I would like to talk about trading conditions and how basically brokers make money, so you would understand what is important for you to watch and how they make money. I will show that on an IQ option freedom account. So I will click here on start trading and I will visit iqoption.com. I will create just a demo account. And I will sign up. The minimum investment here, in case you would want to trade with real funds, is 10 USD. But the demo account is free of charge. So I go ahead and sign up. I close this. Now I'm logging to the IQ option trading platform. And now I have to select whether I want to trade with practice demo funds or with real funds. So I was talking about demo funds, so I will go and choose a demo account. Now here, if I hit on the plus button, open new asset and go to Forex, you can see all the Forex pairs that are available on the platform. The most popular is Euro USD, so I will search for this currency pair and open a new chart with this pair. If I want, I can here go to their charting system, use their graphical tools, add some indicators, but I will not go through them right now, but they are also very interesting and important in Forex trading. But you will learn about these in other guides, and if you go through the BabyPips school I was talking about, you will learn about them a lot. Now I will talk about the fees that brokers charge. So if I hit again on open new asset and search for EURUSD and click on the information symbol in the right corner, and here I will click on trading conditions. I can see the trading conditions that apply to this specific Forex pair. So this Forex pair has a floating spread of 0.6. That means that the buy price and sell price are different by 0.6. This is the last digit. You can see that here it ends with 79 and this one starts with 85. So this difference 0.6 is a spread fee. Now brokers also charge swap fees. You can see here swap buy, so that is for buy position, and swap sell. And what does it actually mean, swap buy and swap sell? So swaps are fees that are charged to your position if you stay in your trade overnight. So I basically do not recommend staying in your trades for too long, because if you will open it for a lot of days, you will be always charged each day, each night with this swap fee. So it's better to trade just in terms of minutes or hours and close it before the end of the day. I believe there shouldn't be any other fees apart from the spread fee and the swap fees for this trade. You can see also here the trading schedule and when the swap fees are applied. So you have here from midnight to nearly midnight, so I believe they are charged at midnight. Yes, that should be the case. If you want, you can check out economic events for this currency pair that might affect the price of the currency pair, technical analysis as well, what is the overall market sentiment, etc., etc., etc. So this is these are the basics for forex trading in South Africa. If you have any questions regarding this video, please comment and I will be happy to help you in any way I know. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.